Nice little oil change on an 07 Honda Elementus. And we're just gonna crack this loose. Swing this drain up on over here. Take that bad boy out. A little stiff, bud. That's okay. We got some baby side cutters right here. We're just gonna give this a couple little snips here. There she goes. New washer for you, Benson. Nice and short on the steel pan here. We also have torn compliance bushings. This one's about halfway torn, not too bad. This one is 10 out of 10, torn all the way through. We have a chain case seepage here, pretty common issue. Peek that, Ugga drawer, articulating lady foot. And we're just gonna put that right here. And we'll give this a little wiggle. And she's got slight play. Come on over here. Give that a little wiggle. And she's got some more slight play. So ball joints, compliance bushings. Come on back here, hold on. Anti-cat theft mechanism. Very, very nice. Front wheel drive, that is disgusting. And we got some play in these rear swaby bushings. So we will be replacing those as well, but that is for another video. Sneak over here. Grab that bad bitch. And that's gonna make a wee bit of a mess, but it is okay. I'm just gonna loosen you all the way out here. Pivot, tilt. All right, take that from you. New filter for you, bud. Take a little sample of that. Spread that on there. And we're just gonna slip this right into its fucking home here. A little spinny spin. Okay. All right. Just stick your hand up there and give her one of these. Yeah. And that's feeling pretty tight. Tidbit of the razzmatazz. We're just gonna spray that directly on the affected areas here. A little over here. Get all this Earl up off the subframe. Okay. Set you in your home. Little raggy poo. And we're just gonna dry this bitch up. Dry you up over there. I got a worn gasket on the heat shield or the axle. So we'll note that for you, bud. 2 clippies, James P. Clipson. And we're just gonna pop these bitches out. And fuck you. One more sneaky bitch right here. Fuck you. Alright, we can just tuck that. A little tucky tuck. Nice little drizzle going on there. Plug a chinus. Gear wrench ratchet. Beautiful flips here. We almost lost that one, bud. Little 1-finger balancing act for you. Good form, good form, good form. Let's go for the trip flip dismount. Oh yeah, that counts. We're gonna go ahead and count that. Tighten you down, 30 foot-pounds. We are done with you, and we're done with you. A little bit more raz. Okay. Talk to me. All right. Mint. Got that shit on tap, and she takes a boot 4.5. And we're just gonna place that right up in there. Good height. Good pour. Beautiful golden flow here. Alright, hold that pose. Okay. Subtle pivot. Transfer. Done with you. Cappuccino. Expertly installed. Start her on up. And we can go ahead and reset the oil light. That is 2,000 miles past due. 199,000 miles on this bad boy. Service A12 is gonna be oil change, rotate, and a cabin filter. And like I said, I'm doing those front compliance bushings, front ball joints, rear sway bar bushings, and yeah, she'll be feeling real nice after that. Press and hold, beep bop boop, reset complete. Tire light flashing because tires are off the vehicle, so don't you worry about a thing. Give this nooch a little jingle jangle. That's luxury right there, buds. Snag a raggy poodle from ya. And we're gonna check the level. And you're just gonna show me what you got. Uh-huh. Okay. Not exactly in the middle, is it? Unacceptable. And we're gonna top it off a wee bit more. Markings are approximate. Give you a little bit more pizzazz here, bud. Nothing crazy. Pivot, tilt, transfer, wipey wipe, cappuchingus. Get the fuck on there. Take two. Give that one more go here, bud. What are we working with? Oh yeah. A little above the halfway mark. The engine is not quite to operating temperature. And that is the proper level that we're looking for. So, we need to replace those bushings and whatnot, do an alignment, and then I will pressure wash the engine bay. Don't you worry about a fucking thing. Sally Struth.